So let's look at the next section, which is the big problem with, we think, Textron, and what an activist could do to help there. So we look at slide 25, you can see R&D spending by company. And Textron is clearly an outlier. And I think when you look at how investors view Textron, if you had a double-digit operating margin, they would definitely see it differently. It's a major profit drag on Textron. It's a major drag on EPS right now. And you get into discussions about whether or not it's like a tax shield or whatever. That goes away a little bit with tax reform that's coming out. But it's also very clear, I think, that this has been a troubled R&D investment process, right? So we haven't really seen any earnings growth, and it's pretty easy to identify some of the challenges that it had. I think it's also pretty clear that they can spend less, because on slide 26 we show them spending less for a very long period of time. And we don't get a lot of disclosure on individual programs, specifically ones maybe that haven't worked out as well. Scorpion 525, how much is Hemisphere going to cost? What are shareholders putting up to introduce yet another jet that pushes them into a different category? So I think there's a real risk in some of these programs, things like getting, that you'll end up with a good money after a bad situation without being too critical.